Welcome inside a factory where safety helmets are carefully designed and manufactured. Helmets begin with strong materials like fiberglass and carbon fiber. The materials are cut into shapes for the helmet shell. Heat and pressure mold the materials into the helmet shape. The helmet shell forms as the materials bond together. Once cooled, the shells are removed from the molds. These shells will go through several finishing steps. Workers carefully trim the edges for a perfect shape. The shells are sanded to make the surface smooth. A primer layer is applied before painting. The helmets are painted with vibrant colors and designs. Protective coatings help make the helmets durable. The paint is allowed to dry completely. Soft foam liners are installed to absorb impact. Padding is added for comfort and a secure fit. Strong chin straps keep the helmet firmly in place. Clear visors protect the rider's eyes from wind and debris. The visor mechanism allows smooth opening and closing. Starting the strap test now.
The force is increasing steadily.
Strap is holding firm.
No slippage. This passes.
Helmets are tested to make sure they can absorb impacts. Each helmet undergoes strict quality inspection. Agreed. Let's check the fit and integrity. The padding looks good. No visible cracks or deformations. Excellent. Ready for the next one. The helmets are carefully packed into boxes. Thousands of helmets are stored before shipping. From the factory, these helmets are delivered to riders around the world.